Hello student, good morning. Today we are going to learn about HCF and LCM. Some difference. That means we are going to learn about what is the difference between HCF and LCM. See a common example. See here. See HCF is what? See, it is the highest common factor and LCM is what? Is the lowest common factor. That means highest means that means it is a common. When we suppose we are going to find out HCF of two number, then we have to see whether the two number is divisible with a same number or not. That means we have to use here only, first we have to learn what is here. We have to use only prime number. Only prime number you have to use here, okay, to find HCF and LCM. Okay, only we have to use here, only prime number you have to use here to find HCF and LCM. See one thing here, suppose one number, see suppose 2 and 12. Suppose we have to find here their HCF, we have to find here suppose HCF. So what we'll do, we will divide this number with the number that for which it can be divisible. Okay, now you have to first see whether this number is prime or odd. If they are prime number, that means if whether is they are even or odd. If they are even number, then we should take the even number to divide it, okay, or if they are a odd number, then we have to find the odd number to divide it. But we have to use only the prime odd number or prime even number. There is only one prime even number that can divide this number, that is 2. So we will use here 2. We divide it to 1 jar and again to 6 jar. Then what we'll see here, this is 1 and this is 6. Both are differ. Both comes in different tables. 1 comes in 1 table and 6 come in 6 table, 2 table and 3 table. Now we see it comes in 2, in 3 and in 6, and 1 comes only in 1. So both are different. That means they are in different. They are different. So they cannot be divisible with the same number. So we leave it here. Okay, so we leave it here, and we got here HCF as only the common number. That means the 2 which divide this two number will take this number as our HCF and we leave this number. So we'll find here HCF as 2. Okay, now we are going to do same number with the LCM form. Now see LCM. See, now we are going to do 2 and 12 as an LCM form. See, we'll write here 2 and 12 we are going to do in LCM. First we divide, the same process we will do up to this as we have done in HCF. As we have done in HCF, same we will do LCM, but there is one step more that we have to need in LCM. See here, we will divide it to, since it is even number, 1 and 6. In HCF what we have done, we have leave here, but in LCM we will not going to leave here. We are going to do division after here. That see, since 1 is in simplest form, so we leave it, no need to do anything with it. Then we'll do 6. See, 6 can be divisible with what? Suppose 2, 3 and 6. See, we have to use here only prime number, so we will not we use here 6. But see here 2 and 3, though both are the even prime number. But since we have to, the rule is say that we have to use here the smallest number first. So we'll use here first 2. So we'll divide with it 2, here 1 and here it 3, and we have to do it as long as it does not come as a prime number in the end. That means we have to take the number divisible up to the its prime number does not come. जब तक उसका प्राइम नंबर नहीं आता तब तक उसको एंड तक करते जाते हैं. तो अब ये आ गया. Now what we'll do, we will write its LCM as C. 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 2 to the 4 and 4 3 is 12. So we can say that in HCF we have to leave when there is common is not match, and in LCM we have to use the number also in divisor form if their common is not match. So this is the difference between HCF and LCF that we have learned here, and we have to know more thing one, that only a prime number is used here to do this method. Okay, thank you.